Okay, what we're going to do here is learn how to use the feature in Ultracart known as Upsell After. And you could find that in the item area. We go to item management, and it's under here, under item configuration, Upsell After. Now, you have to segment things into offers. Okay? I have made a test offer, and I will go over this here. I call it Upsell Test. Let's edit it, and you can get an idea of how this is used. Okay, let's just go through this one at a time here. Upsell After Offer Editor. Okay, you give your offer a name. I have named it Upsell Test for this test. Pretty self-explanatory there. The item which you are going to sell in your upsell. I have decided this one will sell the item that I have called Upsell Test. We won't cover downsell yet. We won't cover many options yet. This is just a basic how to use Upsell After. Now you need a trigger. This tells Ultracart that when this item that I have named and created, Upsell Test 1, when that item is goes into someone's cart and they purchase it, that will trigger this offer that we are making right now called Upsell Test. Okay? So we have a name, we have the item that is being sold in the upsell, and we need a way to trigger the upsell from happening. Okay? So there we have it. Now, this is a very good diagram here. What you need to do is code HTML. You could use any HTML editor which you have, Dreamweaver, any of the free ones, it does not matter. You have a before and an after box. Before and after refers to the buttons yes or no, which will show on your screen. Let us preview. Let me preview the upsell offer, and you can see what I mean. We can click the preview button. It's a very handy tool that they have. Preview. This is what your upsell after page will look like. I just made this as an example. Would you like to add upsell test to your order? This is the page that will be shown after the person has completed their original order. Say they bought product A, and this upsell test product is a companion. It would go well with product A. So the HTML code in the before box is everything that is up to here. Here's the yes or no buttons, and in the after box is all the code under these buttons that I'm highlighting here. Okay, this is just, let me show you. I got a preview window. This is what the upsell page will look like. It's a very simple page. Yes button, no button. You could edit those too. We'll go over that in a different video. This is just the basic upsell after. Now let's go back and go back to the edit menu and go down. You see now they give you an area where you can enter before your HTML before the yes and no buttons and the HTML after the yes or no buttons. I have that all filled in. This is the code that created the page that you just saw. So let's test our upsell after out here. Okay, we're going to need to order the item that's upsell test 1, so I have to get the link for that item. I'll go to my items menu. I've made a folder called test products, and my item ID is, here it is, upsell test 1. I need the links so I can get the link, the buy link. I'll select it and copy it. I'll open up a new tab here, paste that link in, and I'm going to pretend I'm going to order upsell test. I got 2 in there. I guess it does not matter. Here is my order form, custom order form that I have already filled in. Okay, I have Joe Smith. I'm just making up a name. 200 Red Road, New York, New York. Okay, I filled all this in. I must check this. Terms of checkout. I have filled in the test credit card number which I use currently. Ultracart lets you do that, lets you assign a credit card test number. And let's click place your order and see what happens. Aha, there is the Upsell After page. It does not, notice it doesn't say thank you for your order has been done, blah blah blah. That you are taken first to the Upsell order. Now if they choose to add it, I mean, this is not the copy that you would want to have. I'm just putting this in here just to show you for this demo. Let's pretend that we want to take this upsell, so we click yes. And after that, then we are processing your order after you have clicked yes. If you clicked no, you would have seen the exact same thing. And now we have our thank you page. And you can see on the receipt here, the original product we bought was Upsell Test 1. We bought 2 of them for $2. And we clicked the yes button to add Upsell Test to our order. And here it is. It has been added to our order. So even though the order form said it was a $2 order, we added the Upsell Test, and Ultracart added it in and made it into the receipt page. And there you go. That's the basics of how Upsell After works.